Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Capybara coin. This is a new token that just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well. Ticker symbol is CAPY. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, they have a full audit, so they were audited by BlockSeifu. You can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. So they had a public pre-sale. It was done in USDT, the Tether stablecoin. And they set their hard cap at 90,000 USDT, which is basically 90,000 US dollars. And they completely sold out 90,000 USDT worth of tokens. They have a Discord, Instagram. They have a Telegram you can follow at Capybara Coin Official. Twitter you can follow at Capybara_coin. And their official webpage is capybara-coin.com. So 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 10 million tokens. They have, it says now that the pre-sale's over, if you're looking to get this token, it's a Binance Smart Chain token, and you can get this token on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and trading your BSC for the Capybara coin using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, capybara-coin.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes and whatnot in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And it says liquidity is going to be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. According to their token metrics pie chart, 26.1% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 11.69% of the tokens go to liquidity, 25% marketing, 10% utility plus LP staking rewards, 10% community and partnerships. Then we got 8% team, 7% central exchanges, 0.6% for the Capy snacks for army, and then 1.57% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a free and quick light audit on here by Analytics Audit, and there's one warning actually that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. This one can be a sketchy warning as well. So the good things on their audit, it says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change fees over 25%. Owner can set max transaction with limits, and owner can't charge trading status or change trading status. Sorry. The one bad warning on here though that everybody should be aware of, it says owner can blacklist users from selling the token. So that it can be a super sketchy warning. So definitely be aware of that warning and thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting this token, because that can be super sketchy. If they can stop people from selling the token, obviously that is a huge honeypot risk, right? So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. Now, on their webpage, they have a full white paper available as well, roadmap, all that type of stuff. So the Capybara coin is a community-driven meme coin that has selected the giant rodent as the face of the brand. The community is built on sharing hilarious memes and is the first with a community mascot rodent. Capybara coin will be launching on the Binance Smart Chain As cryptocurrency godfather Elon Musk has tweeted, "Whoever controls the memes controls the universe. We truly believe we will be up there one day with the top meme coins of the crypto market." It says, "Our plan going forward is to create a dedicated community and prove to be a safe investment." Well, I mean, they can blacklist users, so they should have modified their contract where they couldn't blacklist users, and then it would be a safe investment. But I would say, be aware, sketchy. Safe investment for all who are interested in the meme coin sector of cryptocurrency. The strength of any meme coin is the community and the memes that are created and shared freely across the internet. Keeping a good spirit and making people laugh is what Capy is all about. Building partnerships with other crypto projects or business entities is something we are going to pursue in the future. We also want to give back to charities such as Capybara zoos as we get bigger and have the funds available to do so. We have an open mind to work with and give back to the entity looking to collaborate. Capybara coin. I'm just climbing my way into the top coins with all my Capybara friends. With Capy being community driven, the team aims to be as transparent as possible with all the investors. There will be multiple contract audits. I mean, it doesn't matter if there's multiple contract audits if there's warnings in the audit. I should just tell you that. There could only be one audit, or there could be no audits and the contract is perfect and renounced and everything's amazing with the contract, right? And you don't even need an audit, but it doesn't matter if you have 25 audits and the contract is still sketchy, right? So read the audits. What I just did, they can blacklist users, so it doesn't matter how many audits they have. Let's skip down to the roadmap here. Tokenomics, 0% on buys, 5% on sells. So if you are going to buy this token, you probably won't have to change slippage. Now, if you're going to sell it, you probably have to change your slippage somewhere around 5%. And it doesn't even tell you what the taxes are for on their white paper, which is very strange. Now, it says 1 year locked liquidity. It says they're going to do a lot of marketing. And what else here? So let's scroll down to the roadmap. All right, stage 1, branding, idea, creating the Capy herd, initial marketing, audit, KYC, IDO setup, marketing push. Stage 2, utility development, partnerships, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings, community engagement, central exchange listings, utility reveal. So they don't even really have utility. They're going to reveal it. And then utility rollout in stage 3. Worldwide marketing push, sustainable growth, onboarding bigger influencers, project owners, and then adoption. So they hardly have any utility whatsoever, and they got that big sketchy warning about they can blacklist users. So I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt. Thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.